How to use Magnifier window for text. Tired of squinting at those microscopic letters? Let's turn your phone into a digital magnifying glass. Yes, Android has a hidden magnifier window and it's awesome. Go to your settings, scroll down to accessibility. Some phone call it visibility, magnification or accessibility feature. Tap visibility enhancement. Now choose magnifier window or magnification shortcut. Active the shortcut and boom. A floating magnifier box appears. Drag it over a small text. Use pins to zoom. Tap to focus and read clearly. Perfect for tiny PDF, ingredient labels, fine print on websites. You can also use full screen magnification if you prefer the whole screen zoomed. Say goodbye to eye strain and hello to crystal clear text. Your phone just got smarter. Like if your eye just say thank you. Drop a comment if you want more hidden accessibility tips. Subscribe for more Android power tips. See you in the next one.